Sabi ko, there is something about the leadership of Martin Romualdez that turns ordinary people into monsters. Kaibigan ko yan si Dan Fernandez, si Paduano, I know that, si Luistro. Kasama ko pa sa Hong Kong yan nung nag-trip kasama ni GMA. Mabait yan eh. Yang si Abante, tagal ko, konsihal yan sa Maynila when I was the Special Legal Counsel of Mayor Lim, 92. Kilala ko lahat yan, mababait yan eh. Ewan ko kung ba't naging monsters yung mga yan na alam nyo kung bakit tinedetain si Cassandra Leong. They want her to produce certain documents which we already explained to them na wala sa amin. Bakit wala sa amin? Unang-una, paano namin ipoproduce na nakadetain siya? Number two, ni-raid yung opisina nila, kinuha ng raiding team yung mga papeles. Nasa kanila yan eh. Sinabi na namin, we cannot produce that. Pangatlo, yung mga personal effects niya na baka merong memorandum noon ayaw ibigay ng NBI. So we are placed in an impossible situation. Alam nyo, kung in aid of legislation lang yan, which is exactly what the House Quadcom should be doing, yung mga papeles na yan nandun sa raiding team kunin nyo. Pero humahanap lang kayo ng justification to continue detaining Cassandra Leong. Bakit? Because you're still expecting her to turn against other people pag ginigipit nyo